Looking for the best AEG oven but not sure where to start? Stick around, we're ranking the top models from weakest to best so you can choose the right one without second guessing. Let's kick things off with a solid entry-level model that's great for those on a budget or just starting out. This is the BES 331111M. It's a built-in oven with a decent 72-liter capacity and a straightforward set of features. Don't expect bells and whistles here, but it gets the job done with classic reliability. This oven uses steam cleaning or aqua clean, which is a low-effort way to loosen up grime. It's also equipped with surround cook technology for more even heat distribution. Great if you like to bake multiple trays at once. You've got a basic LED display and retractable knobs which work just fine, especially for those who prefer tactile controls. But let's be honest, it's not a top performer. The halogen light isn't the brightest, the energy class is only average, and you won't find modern conveniences like pyrolytic cleaning or advanced steam features. It's simple, but that simplicity comes with trade-offs. If you want something no-nonsense and affordable, this is your guy. It's a practical choice for casual cooks or those outfitting a rental unit. By the way, you'll find links to all the ovens in this review at the best prices in the description below. Go check them out. Next up, stepping up ever so slightly, is the BES 331110B. While it's pretty close in features to the previous model, this one brings just a bit more refinement to the table. You're still working with steam cleaning and the same surround cook tech for even heating. What makes this model better is the Safe to Touch Plus door and a slightly more intuitive timer system. It also includes a telescopic runner and an extra large tray. Small touches, but they make everyday use much smoother. It's a little more user-friendly than the first model and offers just enough added value to feel like a step up. Still, it doesn't leap into premium territory. Like the last one, it lacks pyrolytic cleaning or advanced steam modes. Energy efficiency is just okay, and the lighting system still uses halogen, which is a bit outdated. If you're after something familiar but with a few more conveniences, this model strikes a great balance. Oh, and if you're enjoying the video so far, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. More smart kitchen picks are on the way. Now we're moving into more exciting territory with the BEB 35502M. This is where we start seeing a meaningful upgrade in features, especially with the steam bake function. If you bake a lot of bread or pastries, this one's worth paying attention to. The steam bake feature adds moisture at the start of the cooking process, helping dough rise beautifully and crusts come out golden. It also improves evenness in roasts and casseroles. And with A+ energy efficiency, you're saving more long-term compared to the previous two models. The safety features are solid too, with a cool touch door and intuitive control panel. But again, we're still dealing with halogen lighting and steam-only cleaning. No pyrolytic self-cleaning, so you'll still have to put in a bit of elbow grease. It's also not the most premium looking model on the market. If baking is your thing, this one delivers solid value and specialized performance without breaking the bank. Definitely a smart pick for home bakers who want more than the basics. Now we're getting serious. The BPS 33102ZM takes a big step up with its pyrolytic self-cleaning feature. This means it literally burns away grime at high temperatures, turning residue into ash you just wipe away. If low maintenance is your goal, this is a game changer. The performance is strong across the board. It heats evenly with surround cook, reaches a high temperature quickly, and includes a massive extra large tray. Plus it runs surprisingly quiet. It's everything you'd want in a modern oven, especially if you cook often and hate cleaning up. Its controls are functional, but not flashy. You still get basic knobs and a standard electronic timer, no touchscreen here, and it's missing steam features like steam bake. Lighting is still halogen, which by now you know is not ideal. Still, if you want pro-level cleaning and great cooking performance, this one's ideal for busy households or enthusiastic home chefs. Definitely worth it for the convenience factor alone. And finally, we reach the top of the list, the BPS 335061M. This is the most feature-rich model in our lineup and earns its place as the best AEG oven in this review. If you want it all, modern looks, power, and convenience, this is the one. It combines powerful pyrolytic cleaning, an extra-large capacity, and an intuitive LED control panel that just feels good to use. Everything from multi-level cooking to child-safe features is on point, and the anti-fingerprint stainless steel finish means it stays looking sharp in any kitchen. The only downsides? Like the others, it still uses halogen lights, and while A+ energy rating is good, some newer premium models on the market edge it out with A++ or better. That said, this is the complete package for home chefs who want a reliable, premium oven without compromises. If you're upgrading your kitchen and want something that looks and performs like a dream, this is it. That's our ranking of the best AEG ovens. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description to grab the best deals. If you found this helpful, give us a like and make sure to subscribe for more reviews and smart home picks.